Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mari, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to, glow and slay like how I do. So if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look, then stay tuned for the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Go hit that button right now, please, and join our family. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snap. All of that will be left right here. And I love you guys, and let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so now that I am nice and crusty, we're gonna get started. I already did my brows because ain't nobody got time to do these on camera.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Okay, they're looking real good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Anastasia eye primer, and y'all, honestly, I'm a mess. I got it all over myself, but I'm just gonna take it and put it on my eyes. Now that we have it like this, I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and I'm just tapping it in. I'm not going to set it, and I'm not trying to get it too close to my brows because I already carved them out and defined them. So yeah, probably gonna get all over my eyes since I wanted to get it on my eyelashes. We're just gonna blend it all down because I don't have the time. I'll use a makeup wipe right now. Oh child, I look like somebody just took flour and like all over my eyes, but it is what it is. So first I'm gonna take this MONEYYY M504 brush with this color right here, Brick Road, and I'm just gonna take and place that all in the crease. And y'all, I'm just trying to build it up so it's a very intense and bright yellow. Now, because this eye primer is like white, it's gonna help for this color to pop. I know y'all see that yellow. It's like popping. Where normally yellow, it takes a while for me to like build it up and like show on my skin. This color is really pretty. But I think that's pretty. What y'all think? Can I pull off yellow shadows? Can she do it? Y'all gonna be mad at me when y'all see how simple this look is about to be. That's gonna be the easiest, simplest look. Listen, during the summertime, don't nobody want to be doing this complicated, long, old makeup routine, okay? It's hot, we got places to be, people to meet. You don't have time to be doing no 2-hour get ready with me. And that's just on period. Next, you guys, I'm just taking this regular schmegular old fluffy brush, and I'm going into Hoe, or H-O-E, whatever you want to call it. We're just taking it right there. And I'm just gonna focus that kind of on like the outer V of my eye. I don't want to put too much. I want this color, I want my eyelid to be very fluffy and fluffy. How can eyelid be fluffy? I want it to be like very flirty and light and summery. I don't want it to be too dramatic or anything like that. Like, I don't want to deepen this up too dark, and that's why I'm going in with this one. It's one of like it's the lightest brown in the palette. Is that even? I think that's even. I'm not too sure. Then I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way concealer. Who wants to focus? My Born This Way concealer on a small flat brush. And I'm just gonna somewhat, not even really cut my crease, but just clean off my eyelid. Y'all already know. Just something slight. Then I'm gonna go in with the brush that came with the palette. And I'm gonna take Inspire. Oh, you guys, that is so pretty. I haven't even finished my eye look and I don't even know how to act. Lord, this gold is so pretty. Then I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit of Brick Road and a little bit of HOE. I'm just gonna kind of, you know, blend that because we don't want no harsh lines around here. Guys, do y'all see this? I'm really feeling this look. I ain't even about to go nowhere. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this look is popping and I'm not even done. It is popping. So I'm gonna take and I'm gonna pop on some lashes. They're just some regular Kiss lashes. I can't even really tell y'all the style, but I'm gonna pop them on. I might do like a very, very, very barely there thin line of eyeliner and then I'll be back. All right, y'all. So now that I'm a halfway baddie, I'm gonna take my Benefit Professional Primer and I'm going to get rid of my pores because y'all don't let this camera fool you. I got them. I see so many people on a daily and they're like, girl, you have no pores. I'm like, I wish. Promise y'all I'm a whole catfish, but like it's fine. Then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the color Golden. Now, you guys don't even understand. Okay, I'm doing like 3 pumps. That should be enough. But y'all really don't even understand like how happy I am that Too Faced came out with more colors for their concealers and foundations. Like, y'all don't even know the tea. Okay? Now, if y'all are wondering why I'm like not getting here, it's because I'm gonna clean that up with concealer because I'm lazy. So then I'm gonna take my Born This Way concealer once again, and this is in the shade Cookie. It's one of their new shades, and I'm gonna use that to kind of like, you know, get that like on the side of my eye. I really hope that's even. If it's not, whatever. And I'm not bringing it too far up on my forehead because my forehead is not that big, so it'd almost be like a waste, you know. But guys, this concealer, oh, it's so nice. If you haven't used it, you definitely need to. To me, it's like the closest thing to Shape Tape that I've tried. And I love me some Shape Tape, guys. Y'all see what that did for my face? Like how it honestly just like brightened it up and gave it a little life. That's what I love about this concealer. Like, I can honestly wear it by itself and it still does the job. And then I know y'all been seeing me hold this, so I'm gonna go in with this Hello Flawless Benefit. It's like a powder foundation, and I'm gonna use that to set my eyes. and it's in the color Toasted Beige. And one thing I love, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but you see how my face is still like, the glow can still come out. That's what I like about this this foundation and concealer duo. It does not dry you out. Then I'm gonna go in with this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish bronzer. It's in Gold Deposit, and your girl is just gonna bronze herself with a big old fluffy brush. And instead of like shaping my nose, I'm just gonna brush it down the bridge because I'm lazy. Sorry if I moved, y'all. I didn't grab my highlighter, but I like my highlight to be like gaudy. So I'm gonna go in with this setting spray from the K All Nighter, and I'm gonna set my face. And while that's drying, I'm gonna go in with this MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter. I don't know why my brush was acting trash, so I had to grab a different one. Y'all, I love this highlighter. I know you guys see those posts on Instagram. Come on. And it's like, what would you give up? Like highlighter, lashes, girl, contour could go. Drip so hard. That look pretty?
Of course. Wow, little cute crackhead.
Why gotta be a crackhead? You guys, I'm just gonna take that highlight and put it, that is so pretty, on my inner corners, under my brow, Rudolph who? Rudolph where? I just gotta get a lip, so give me a sec. Y'all, so I decided I wanted to just use a gloss, so I'm just gonna wear this Fenty Glow by Rihanna because she can do no wrong. Ooh, bitch. Alright, you guys, I'm sorry if the angle or the lighting is a little different. My camera had the audacity to die, so yeah, I had to charge my battery real quick. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe down below. Join the family, okay? We are slowly growing, but we are still growing. So I appreciate you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too.